Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will talk about the very popular authentication method for the website. It's the third-party authentication. I think most of you can still remember the time when you try to log in the new website. Uh, we used to have to register the username, password. Username will use the uh, email address and the password. We have to set a very complex password with the minimum digital digits requirement. It's not easy to manage. So in the market, there have some solutions such as the one password to manage every passwords. Okay, and we will find there is still another ways to log in the system. That's we can use the Google authenticate, the Facebook authenticate, the Twitter authenticate. In general, it called third party means that we don't need to set or require the user to register their username and password in our site, in our website. They can use the third party to finish all the authentication and authorization. Uh, that's called OAuth. From our book, they have some uh, definition of the OAuth. Not too much, but it still can ensure that we can have a very quite knowledge or short concept of what is OAuth. We can see it came from the single sign-on. Yes, it's true because just like I will show you later from this demo, if we can log in the GitHub. GitHub here is our third party, so we can successful logging our personal website. So we don't need to register or from the developer. We don't need to write the code for the separate uh, authentication authorization. So from the Django, there's lots of ways to integrate the Django with the third-party website. Here, I recommend we can use the social auth app Django, this library. We can see here the same concept, reinventing the wheel. We just need to change little codes. It's very easy for us. You see, this is our previous UI, the form, and now we add the link to log in with GitHub, and it will pop up a window for us to input the username and password for GitHub, and it will direct to our website again once we finish the authentication and the authorization. The whole process is not hard to understand, but also it's not easy. It requires you have the basic knowledge of the HTTP. Uh, in general, just here, that's us. That's the website we build, and this is GitHub, and we will use the GitHub username and password to log in, and GitHub will set back authorization code for our application. So we will check it later, the authentication authorization code. Okay, and we will use the authentication code to retrieve our resource from the application server. Okay, then we can take a look at the source code here. Source code, we just add some lines, right, which is limited. Don't worry about it, which is limited, totally about 10 lines. Okay, the first we start from the index, our homepage. We add just a linkage to the GitHub, and what it is, I don't know, but I think the library have already encapsulate everything for us, so we don't need to worry about 10. The full steps, I will give you the, I can add this linkage to the slides for you if you have interest. All right. And we add another page for the success. That means the direct. If we finish the authentication and authorization, we will jump to this index 2. And from our setting side, we need to add some setting, just like install the apps, middleware, okay, authentication backends, and this is our key and the secret get from the GitHub just for testing. So I will delete it later. And the login redirect the URL index to. Yeah, that's all. We don't even need to change the viewers because here just add the index to viewers. Okay, so quite simple. Okay, let's take a look. We were Okay, let's start a new web browser and type our demo URL. Login with GitHub and we open our Chrome tools network. All right, login with GitHub. And we can see here, it will jump to the GitHub. So we input our username and password. The most important things we will check about the authorization code. It will return to us once we finish. Okay, sign. Okay, here we got it. Code. Okay, login success. It's be finished, and we can see here to return the code. That's our code for the authorization. So once we finish the authentication, third-party server will give back the authentication code to our application server. So that's the key part for the third-party logging. It's here. You see. Okay, that's the demos of the OAuth. It's very easy. I hope you can really get something from this short video. Okay, see you next time.